Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Turn off power at the breaker panel before you work. Confirm power is off using a non-contact voltage tester on outlets and fixtures. Wear safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask while removing the wall. Clear the room and protect floors with 6mm plastic and drop cloths. Label and photograph any wiring, AV gear, and outlet locations for later reinstall. Have a helper and basic tools ready. Pry bar, reciprocating saw, stud finder, and flashlight. Cut drywall along seams with a utility knife to expose studs. Score tape and paint lines first to minimize drywall dust and tears. Locate studs at 16 inches on center using a stud finder and mark them clearly. Remove screws and nails from the media cabinet and drywall with a drill and pry bar. Cut any concealed wiring or coax only after confirming power is off at the breaker. Remove framing by lifting out 2x4 studs carefully with a helper for heavy sections. Patch openings using 1/4 inch drywall, joint compound, and 2-inch tape. Sand joints smooth with a 120 grit sanding block, then vacuum dust with a HEPA filter vacuum. Apply 2 coats of primer before repainting to ensure even coverage and adhesion. Dispose of debris at a local recycling center or hire a dumpster service for large loads. Reinstall electrical outlets and AV components after a licensed electrician, verifies connections, and restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.